do this project and understand all the bits and pieces. So I spent so many hours on this, and I think I understand the concepts, but I struggled to implement them. However, I do love how the new objects reference methods and other classes that were created. But I had a hard time finding resources within Promineo that felt like they were at my level, so I did a lot of researching to see how other people have solved what seems like a pretty common problem, and I incorporated some of their ideas. So here is the code. I have these new players as long until each hand is 26. They're going to flip cards. So we have each these if-else statements saying, okay, like describe what's going on with these methods, print this if this happens, print that if that happens, etc., etc. Same with this for the end of game situation. Instead of just it's not going to work in a loop, it's just going to work at the end after the loop has finished. I should start with the deck, or the cards. So this was part, I got to understand switches a lot better with this project because I could not figure out how to create the deck and the cards. So I found this code situation on here. This was what I had tried to do, and it just did not work. I think there's a lot wrong with it. I tried to make, my original idea was to use the cards and the suits to make two arrays and then to meld the arrays, and it seems like that principle was pretty standard for this project, was making the array list of cards, but never got that to work in itself. So this seemed to work really well. I added the Unicodes for that. I'm hoping to get more familiar with the things you can import from Java because this is super cool. And here's the getters and setters for all of the variables that exist. I think I understand this better too, where you say hey, this variable this parameter is going to exist in this code somewhere. And then when you use it, it knows what kind of code it is, what kind of parameter it is, and how to use it. So definitely have a lot of space to keep learning on this.